learners. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So students, once again, this is Archana, your science teacher. So welcome back to Science Revision classes, and this video is also a revision video of block 2, that is food management. In this block, we discuss about how we increasing crop yield by doing different methods, that is crop rotation and mixed cropping. Then we discuss about how we managing food. Then we discuss about animal husbandry and biotechnology and food. Okay, after that we discuss our PQs. So students, first of all, we have to discuss about increasing crop yield. As you all know that leguminous plants are very important for the soil as they are rich in nitrogen. It increases the soil fertility, so we have to grow leguminous plants. Clear? And there are two methods by which we can increase our crop yield. First one is crop rotation and the second one is mixed cropping. Crop rotation is practicing of growing different kinds of crops in different seasons, and mixed cropping is an organic method of farming in which different crops planted in a field at the same time. And there are some advantages and disadvantages of both the methods. For example, the advantages of crop rotation: it improves the fertility of the soil, it increases the production of food grains, and reduces the use of nitrogen fertilizers by replenishing the soil with nitrogen. And in the opposite side, mixed cropping, it helps to control weeds and pests, it increases overall crop yield, it uses natural resources like sunlight, water and air to the fullest, and it makes the plant resistant to disease. One more thing, in crop rotation, it uses mainly leguminous plants for fixing nitrogen. But if we are talking about mixed cropping, it uses both leguminous plants and other plants. Clear? So next topic is our managing food. So there are some methods of food storage. The first one is sun drying method. Then using neem and tulsi leaves. We also using bamboo structures to store the food. Then we use chemical pesticides also. Clear? And we have to take some steps to manage the food. They are, for example, after harvesting, crop are tied in bundles and left in the sun to dry. As you see, there is figure number 3 on page number 18 in your content book. This is a picture of sun drying method. Clear? They undergoes threshing and winnowing. Then food is stored in jute bags. Beans go down silos, berries and granaries according to the type of food item. And finally, food grains, fruits and vegetables, they taken to market to be sold. Clear? Now there are some questions also arises which we discuss in our previous videos. अगर आपको कोई डाउट होता है तो आप आपकी जो प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन है इस ब्लॉग की, उस वीडियो को दोबारा से देखोगे. क्लियर? और जब हम PQs डिस्कस करेंगे तो ये सारे क्वेश्चंस उसके अंदर डिस्कस हो जाएंगे. अंडरस्टैंड? देन व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एनिमल हस्बेंड्री? सो एनिमल हस्बेंड्री is a method in which some animals are reared as a part of business, and in this, animals reared at home or in farms also, they have to be provided with proper food, shelter and care. For example, cattle, buffalo, sheep, pigs, goats, hens, fish, silkworms and honeybees. Clear? So rearing animals are to be done to obtain products as a food in animal husbandry. Clear? So there are different kinds of animal husbandries. For example, apiculture, in this honeybees are reared to get the honey and wax. Then sericulture, silkworm are reared in sericulture. Pisciculture, fishes are reared. Then in poultry farming, the rearing, keeping of birds like hens, ducks and turkeys for their eggs and meat is called poultry farming. Clear? And in cattle farming, the breeding, care and management of cattle and buffaloes for dairy products like milk, cheese and butter is called cattle farming. Understand? Next is, what is biotechnology and food? So biotechnology and food, it is the study and use of life processes and living things to make materials and procedures that can improve the quality of life for people. It means biotechnology क्या होती है? It is a use of living organism in useful way. हम living organisms का ही useful way में use करते हैं. Clear? So there are some biotech methods: artificial selection, hybridization, mutation breeding, tissue culturing and genetic engineering. And this is the description of these biotech methods. Clear? So you have to read this and you have to see that video. I repeat again and again, please प्रॉपर वीडियो इसकी देखना जो आपकी पहले प्रीवियस क्लासेस में जो एक प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन दी गई है. Clear? So now we discuss our PQs. The first question is, you have to write that increasing in crop yield, dash is a practice in which different crops are grown in one season after the other. So the answer is crop rotation. And in the next question, you have to write that why is nitrogen important for plants. So plants use nitrogen in the form of nitrate compounds. Nitrogen helps in forming proteins which help in healthy plant growth. Clear? And in the third question, you have to write one difference between mixed cropping and crop rotation. So as I told you that in mixed cropping, different crops are planted together at the same time. मतलब एक ही time पे different crops grow की जाती है in one field. But in crop rotation, different crops are alternated between seasons. Understand? And in the fourth question, the method of separating grains from the stalk by hitting on a hard surface is called threshing. So the answer is threshing. Clear? And in fifth question, you have to write that why is proper storage of food important? So the proper storage of food is important as it's required in order to protect it from moisture and pest. ताकि आप जो फूड है आपका उसको मॉइस्चर से और पेस्ट से प्रिवेंट कर सको. क्लियर? एंड इन द सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डू सम पीपल प्रेफर टू यूज नीम और तुलसी लीव्स फॉर स्टोरिंग फूड ग्रेन्स. सो सम पीपल प्रेफर टू यूज नीम एंड तुलसी लीव्स टू कीप अवे पेस्ट. क्यों यूज करते हैं? ताकि पेस्ट जो है वो फूड से दूर रहे. बिकॉज दीज आर नेचुरल मटेरियल्स एंड डू नॉट कॉज एनी हार्म टू पीपल्स हेल्थ. क्लियर? नीम और तुलसी जो नेचुरल चीजें होती है तो हमें हार्म नहीं करती हैं. And the seventh question, breeding and management of birds like hens is called poultry farming. So the answer is poultry farming. And in the eighth question, what care should be provided to cattle for good production of food? So cattle should be provided with a clean place to live, healthy food and proper medicines when sick. जब वो बीमार हो जाते हैं तो उनको proper medicine दी जानी चाहिए, proper sanitation देना चाहिए, free place देना चाहिए. And in the ninth question, you have to write two differences between apiculture and sericulture. So in apiculture is the rearing of honeybees and sericulture is the rearing of silkworms. Honey is obtained through apiculture and silk is obtained from sericulture. Clear? And in the 10th question, why are leguminous plants considered a source of protein? So as I told you that plants use nitrogen to form proteins. Leguminous plants, they fix the nitrogen. लेग्यूमिनस प्लांट्स में क्या होते हैं? रूट नोड्यूल्स होते हैं. जैसे क्या होंगे? एक राउंड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स होता है उनकी रूट में, दैट इज कॉल्ड रूट नोड्यूल्स एज यू स्टडी इन योर प्रीवियस क्लासेस आल्सो. उन रूट नोड्यूल्स में राइजोबियम बैक्टीरिया लीव करते हैं, उनमें रहते हैं एंड दे कन्वर्ट द एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन इनटू सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस. क्लियर? एंड leguminous plants they always have a rich source of nitrogen that get converted into protein. वही नाइट्रोजन जो कि पहले कॉम्प्लेक्स सब्सटेंस था अब सिंपल सब्सटेंस हो गया है, वो कन्वर्ट हो जाता है प्रोटीन में. दिस प्रोटीन इज स्टोर्ड इन द प्लांट विच वी देन गेट व्हेन वी ईट द फूड. दैट्स व्हाई लेग्यूमिनस प्लांट कंसिडर्ड अ सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन. So students, this is all about of this topic. I hope you all are understand. Thank you and have a nice day.